got the cover too. The cover came in. I'm assuming that'll be next week. Okay. But you're not finishing the grate today, are you? Okay. Too wet. Okay. Okay. Yeah, because I think it rained the entire night, like about 8-9 hours. Real heavy at times. Okay. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, I think she was out in the greenhouse a couple of days. Oh yeah, this is gonna need a couple of days drying, or at least not a couple like totally dry, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get back in the house. It's kind of chilly than I thought. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's more shoveling than raking. Because yesterday was real fluffy when I had walk over here to do something. Alright, let me go look at my tree. I see it over there waving at me. I want to try to take a picture of it. Alright. Alright, I believe we are day 7 working. It could be day 8. But he's packing everything in now. They're gonna come back tomorrow because yesterday it rained about 8-9 hours, heavy rains off and on. And yeah, that thing is heavier when it's wet. He can't do the edges because it is too wet. All right, my AU Rosa plum is bloomed out. It is too cold for bees and pollinators, but here it is. Hopefully it can hold on to its buds for a while. All right, so that's just a side thing. Plants coming in, buds. March 4th. These are actually supposed to be starting to bud now, not flower. So we are way ahead of the schedule. We are about, looks like a month ahead of schedule. I'm hoping that we have a couple of warm days so we can get some bees out here. All right, check on me later. Oh yeah, definitely you can tell the difference. I'm not sinking in on this at all. Oh yeah. It's not fluffy. It's not fluffy anymore. It's good.
You gonna put some more out there, or you just
I'm here. Unless he said I need more.
You got a rip
Yeah, like over here. Yeah, that's a lot. Because what I was telling him, I only want to go to here.
Oh.
And so all this right here is just, that's extra. Because I want to be able to get my ride more in here without hitting the fence. So, I mean, if I can get the ride more, you know, right around here, I'll be fine. Yeah, so, yeah, we good. All right, I'll catch y'all on the next one.
All right, man.
All right, John.